In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Photoshop on your Chromebook. This is a handy guide for anyone looking to harness the power of Photoshop while using one of these versatile devices. Now, you may be wondering how this works since traditional software installations aren't quite the same on Chromebooks, but Adobe has made it easy for you with a couple of options that allow you to access Photoshop's capabilities right from your Chromebook. First, let's talk about the two main methods you have at your disposal: using Photoshop on the web or the Adobe Photoshop Express app from the Google Play Store. Both of these options give you access to Photoshop's impressive suite of editing tools, each in its unique way. Let's dive a bit deeper into each option to give you a clearer understanding of how they work. Starting with Photoshop on the web, it's a great option if you're looking for a full-fledged experience more akin to what you might find on your desktop. All you need to do is open Google Chrome and navigate to photoshop.adobe.com. This will take you to the web version of Photoshop available through all Photoshop subscription plans. Once you're on the website, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Adobe ID. If you haven't created an account yet, it's straightforward to set one up on the Adobe website, and having an Adobe ID gives you access to a range of creative tools beyond just Photoshop. After you sign in, you can start using Photoshop directly within your browser, which is quite convenient for quick edits or even more complex projects when you're on the go. The second option, Adobe Photoshop Express, is more of a lightweight version of the software designed for quick edits and creative adjustments. You can download and install Photoshop Express from the Google Play Store. Once installed, this app offers various features that make it easy to enhance your images with different filters, effects, and adjustments right from your Chromebook. While it doesn't have the full range of professional features found in the desktop or web versions, Photoshop Express is perfect for making fast and effective edits without much hassle. Both options have their benefits. Photoshop on the web is ideal if you need a wide range of features and the ability to work on more intensive projects, while Photoshop Express is fantastic for quick edits on the go. By using these resources, you can ensure you're always able to access the creative tools you need no matter where you are or what device you're using. There you have it, two effective ways to access Photoshop directly from your Chromebook. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to start your creative journey with these powerful tools at your disposal. Enjoy creating, and see you in the next video.